Hello and welcome to Mindfulness. If you are new to meditation, then this video is for you. Stay till the end to benefit from it. Meditation is a habit. It's so simple yet can be so difficult at the same time. The key to becoming good at meditation is to stay consistent. Keep trying and strongly believe in the power of meditation to enhance your quality of life. The purpose of meditation is to clear your thoughts and practice being present in the moment. Meditation has several advantages, including physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, and other advantages. Meditation can assist you in calming your mind, de-stressing, and finding inner peace and harmony. It can help you focus and sleep better. Boost your productivity, creativity, intuition, and overall happiness. Reduce aging, strengthen your immune system, and improve your general well-being. The best part of meditation is that you don't need any special equipment. All you need is: first, find a peaceful place where you won't be interrupted. Then, cross your legs on a cushion or in a chair, feet flat on the floor. Make sure your back is straight but not stiff in whatever posture you're sitting in. Consider a thread that extends from your tailbone to the highest point on your head. Close your eyes gently. Slowly and thoroughly inhale. Your thoughts should follow the course of your breath as it enters and exits your nose. If you find yourself drifting off into your thoughts, simply return your attention to your breathing. Be an observer of your ideas, but do not participate in them. The objective here is to enter the void, a state in which you are aware of yourself and your surroundings, but your mind is not thinking about anything. Your consciousness is this awareness. It is your spirit. Begin small. Start with 5 minutes of meditation every day and work your way up. Find a time that works for you and incorporate it into your daily schedule. Developing a daily meditation program will not be an easy path. Remember to practice patience, endurance, and non-judgment. Be patient with yourself, time will pass anyway. Persist even when you want to quit. When your mind wanders, be kind to yourself. Don't be too hard on yourself, just do your best. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and let us know if you've tried meditation before. Please let me know how you feel about it. Thank you so much for watching.